Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and if you're watching me for the very first time, in this channel I talk about only KDP. So if you are interested in such kind of passive income, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to put the notification button on. And if you're already supporting me, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So in this video I'm going to talk about the questions which I have got like on a repetitive mode, and I just want to make sure that I can explain these questions in like detail. So I have only taken 5 questions right now, but for the upcoming videos I will definitely take more, and I'm just thinking that in a certain period of time I will make such kind of videos for you guys. Okay, so first question is, hey Priyanka, I published 64 coloring books of kids and teen designer notebook plus one simple notebook, but still no sales at all. Can you help me? What should I do for making sale? And such kind of sale kind of questions is like a lot. Okay, so I have taken only two, but there are a lot. So first thing, if you are considering this business as like a real business, then you have to treat it like a real business. Okay, because mm, this is not a kind of scheme which makes you rich overnight. No, this is not going to happen. Okay, you have to be patient, you have to keep putting efforts, and you have to make sure that you are doing the right strategies. Right now I have like 220 something kind of book, because I have not published any book from quite long time right now. But it still doesn't matter how many books you have, you are not going to get 100% of sales, right? None of your all the book all the book is not going to sell in just short words. Only 5 to or 2 to 5% is only going to sell out of your all books. So if you think that I have published 50 books now it is enough, no it's not, until or unless you are very very lucky. Okay, so what will I do, and what I had done when I was starting out? I knew that I am not a graphic designer. I knew that I will take some time, because obviously to get a good attractive designs interiors I have to put in efforts, and it will take some time. So what I was doing at that time and still today, and what you can do to uh, strong to strengthen your I will say mindset, is that keep on going. When you wake up every single morning and when you start your day in this business, what you have to do is you have to just think, and you have to dedicate the time thinking like, okay, I have to do better today than I have done yesterday. Okay, and in that way you will see that your focus will be only on creating good books, rather than thinking about, oh, I published 5 books, how much money I got. No, be patient and then keep putting the efforts. You will get to see the results, and do not forget to follow the strategy. Okay, so this is what I can say to you. If you are doing business, do it right. Okay, now coming to the second question, he is asking, can I create multiple accounts on KDP if my account is banned? He meant banned. Please reply. Okay, so first thing, if you have two or more account right now on KDP on Amazon, and if you think that okay it is fine, then my answer is no, it's not fine. Okay, because if your account is not blocked yet and you have two KDP accounts, then let me tell you that you are lucky, because and you are not going to be lucky for a long time, because once the Amazon will find out, they will immediately block you. So after, even if you're thinking that okay, if I have got blocked, it's no problem, I can create some another account, then in that case also I will say no, you cannot create multiple accounts, because it is very it is very known that Amazon is very strict with his rules, and as time is going by it is getting stricter and stricter, like, right, it is taking like no bullshit. So what I suggest is just keep one account and just follow the rules, because until or unless you are following the rules, you are safe. Okay. So this is what I would suggest. And even after you get blocked, Amazon will caught you again if you will make one new account. So avoid such kind of thing. Now coming to the third question is if some books with keyword of less competition and poor sales rank like 1 million plus, then should I go for it? Then my answer is no. If you're thinking why, let me tell you. For example, if you have a book which is having less competition like 300, like, then you will be like, okay, Priyanka, that's fine, that's great, right? I am getting only like 300 competitors. But the BSR of those books is like 1 million, then you are just wasting your time. Because as I said in my previous videos of the strategy, that the criteria that I use is less than 1000 search results, and the second is the three books less than or equal to 300,000 of rank. Why 300,000 of rank? Because if your book has 300,000 of rank consistently, that means you are making at least one sale. Okay. And nothing can go beyond one sale, obviously. So if you are comparing 300,000 with 1 million, obviously 1 million book is not doing good at all. It is it is not up to the mark, it is not making any sales, it is zero. Okay. So obviously I would say that even if the competition is low, do not go for such kind of books. Coming to the next question here, which type of books creation for new starters? Okay, let me share you my story, that what I did and why I did and what the result I got. Okay. So when I started out, I was like, okay, I got to know about KDP. Let me see what it is. I just go like on the internet, I just watched, I said read some blogs, etc. etc. And then I realized that, okay, Priyanka, you are not a graphic designer, first of all. Okay. But you need to start from somewhere. So what I can do right now? Okay. So I realized that going for ruled notebook is good. Why? First thing, the interior is done, like I can use it over and again without any copyright thing. So it is perfect for me to get started. Second thing, I can play around and I can practice the cover design as much as possible, because my concentration is only on the cover design to look my book good. Okay. So what I did is I went into the Canva and I started designing the covers once I researched my niche. And then after like 5 to 10 designs, I got to understand that, okay, my designing skills is improving with every design. And this is amazing, because obviously if I'm improving, then my sale probabilities is increasing, right? So this is what I did, and I started doing that, and I uploaded some of them, and then I forgot about it. But you won't believe, in December only I got my first book that I had created about the notebook was sold. And it was my very first book, and it was not up to the mark. Obviously the design was not so good, it was okay type, but still I got the sale and I was so happy. Okay. So I would suggest that you should go for ruled notebooks according to my experience. Now the next question is, can I use Canva elements to make coloring drawing book? Does I will get copyright issue? Please reply. Okay. So the answer of this question is a little bit yes, a little bit no. Let me tell you why. If you are just going in the Canva and you are taking their designs and you are just copying it, pasting it, and that's all you are using as it is, then obviously you will get the copyright. But if you are taking the elements, you are playing around, you are putting your own creativity into it, you are putting your own style into it, your own design touch into it, then no, you will not get copyright. Because Canva itself says that it is okay to use our design, our elements in Canva, but make sure that you do not copy it as it is. Okay. So just go ahead, take the elements, play around with it, change the colors, change the pattern, use your own style, make it somewhat different with the help of elements, because there are a lot of things, lot of ideas that you can do with the covers. Okay, so you can do it and you will not get the copyright. So I think I answered some of your question in detail. If you have any other question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will consider that questions and the rest of the question in my next video. Until then, please do subscribe and support my channel, because I am putting a lot of efforts, and when you people show me some love by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing my channel, then I get that boost that okay, Priyanka, go ahead and make some good videos for these guys again and again. So yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.